Very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. On demand of students, I am going to solve one very interesting problem of differential equation, which is asked in JEE Advanced 2026. So now this question is on a screen. We will do this question. See here, this question is not a big task, easy question. We'll do first the variable separable. See here how. The question is dy by dx is equal to, take y cube common, then it will be e raised to 5x plus 1 divided by e raised to x we can take common, so 1 plus y raised to 4. I hope everybody can understand this step. Now what we will do, we'll do variable separable. So it will be 1 plus y raised to 4 by y cube. Here will be dy, and this side it will be e raised to 5x plus 1 by e raised to x dx. Now divide it, so it will be y raised to minus 3 plus y dy. This side it will be e raised to 4x plus e raised to minus x dx. Now integrating both sides. Then what will come? Integration of e raised to minus 3 will be 1 by minus 2y square. Here will be y square by 2. This side will be e raised to 4x by 4. Here will be minus x plus some constants. Now given information is y naught is 1 by, we will put this value in the question. So let's do this. I have to do this on the next page. Why it is not coming this side? So at x is equal to 0, value of y is 1 by root 2. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 4, and this side is will be e raised to 4 into 1 by x is 0 na, x is 0, so it will be 1 by 4 minus 1 plus c, so this implies c is 0. So it is now minus 1 by 2y square plus y square by 2 is equal to e raised to 4x by 4 minus e raised to x. Again put x is equal to ln 2. Therefore it will be put x equal to it. Then y is 1 by root 2 come. So minus y by root 2 not coming. Y. So minus 1 by 2y square plus y square by 2 is equal to e raised to 4 ln 2 by 4 minus, here is minus, e raised to minus ln 2. This is now coming minus 1 by 2y square plus y square by 2 is equal to, this is 16 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is equal to y square by 2 minus 1 by 2y square is equal to 4 minus 1 by 2, so it is 7 by 2. So y square minus 1 by y square is equal to 7. Put or no need. Y square is equal to y raised to 4 minus 7y square minus 1 equal to 0. So y square is equal to 7 plus minus root under 59 plus 4, and this is equal to 7 plus minus root under 53 by 2. But 53, root under 53 is greater than 7, so 7 minus root 53 by 2 will be rejected as y square is greater than 0. Therefore, y square is equal to 7 plus root under 53 by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 7 plus root 53 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Thank you very much.